Does it sometimes feel like everything is in disarray? Regardless of how hard you try, you aren't able to eliminate the chaos. In your mind, you're probably thinking that just too much is happening at once. However, have you stopped to consider an alternate explanation for the chaos? Maybe it has absolutely nothing to do with the number of things happening. Instead, it may only be due to how you organize your time. The opportunity to turn chaos into relative calm is within reach. With these simple yet useful organization tips, you'll be able to experience a complete turnaround. 1. Allow yourself time to breathe. It's easy to get overwhelmed. And especially if you aren't able to squeeze breathing time into your schedule. Breathing time refers to those moments you get to recollect yourself. Take a break. Laugh with friends or watch an episode of your favorite TV show. Breathing allows you to recenter yourself and gain renewed energy. When you do this, you're able to take on each new challenge as if it's your first. 2. Focus on productivity. It's easy to be distracted by the noise around you. And sometimes it's that noise that gives you the feeling of chaos. Instead of giving everything your attention, try to focus on the things that matter. It's challenging to be productive with many things happening at the same time. Hand-pick the items that are important and kindly ask everything else to take a back seat. It's better to accomplish a few meaningful things each day than to dabble in 1,000 irrelevant tasks. You'll feel more at ease at the end of the day when you produce results. 3. Prioritize. Take inventory of all the things you need to get done. You've already established that everything else is noise. Now, take a moment to rank the to-do list in terms of importance. Always do first things first. The things that are the most crucial need to be at the top of the list. You'll find that this approach helps you to calmly focus on one thing at a time. Knowing that you've made time for each item is essential. It allows you to relax while doing each one instead of feeling anxious about something getting left behind. Try to complete each item before moving to the other. Choosing to abandon this strategy can easily result in the chaos returning. 4. Ask for help. This is perhaps the easiest way to turn chaos into a calming balance. Sure, you want to do it all yourself. But maybe that's an unrealistic desire. Look around. Ask those trustworthy people around you to lend a hand. If you know people who are responsible, you'll be able to trust them with helping you. Just explain to them what you want to be accomplished. They'll likely be able to help you get the job done. When you ask for help, you'll automatically start to relax. And that's because you know stuff is getting done acceptably. Taking this approach gives you enough time to concentrate fully on other things. You can make it through your busy life without feeling burned out. It's simple if you apply these steps to reduce chaos. Once you change your approach, you can expect calmness to take over. Finally, you can give your mind and body some well-deserved relief. Let's stay calm amongst the chaos. Ashley Yo.